I'm good in, wait, sorry. I'm good for, oops, sorry. I'm good at, yes, that's the right one. I'm good at. Do you get confused when it comes to the connection between adjectives and prepositions? Adjectives plus prepositions, or they are called dependent prepositions. A lot of learners get confused when it comes to connecting adjectives with the right prepositions. Worry free. Today we will have some exercises about adjectives plus prepositions, or they are called dependent prepositions. Get ready and let's get it started. Hello and welcome back to EngVibes. In today's video, as I mentioned earlier, we will be having some adjectives plus prepositions. Check the first list. Aware, thankful, satisfied, worried, comfortable, and good. Prepositions we have about, with, of, at, for, in. Again, aware, thankful, satisfied, worried, comfortable, and good. So these are the adjectives, and the other side we have adjectives or adjectives and prepositions. About, with, of, at, for, and in. Let's try connecting them in order to have the right dependent preposition. In case you don't know number one, you can move to number two. You don't know number two, move to number three. You don't have to start from up to down. Start with the easiest one you find or you know, then move to the difficult one. So don't waste your time with one that you don't know. Start with the ones that you know, then move to the most difficult ones. For example, I don't know aware, I know thankful. We say thankful for. So I connect between the two words, thankful for. I'm thankful for. I don't know satisfied, I know worried. So I jump to worried, worried about. Satisfied, we say satisfied with. Good job. Good, we say good at. So left aware and comfortable. Keep trying, keep guessing. We say aware of or aware in. Comfortable of or comfortable in. Yes, we say comfortable in, so left of. So we say aware of. And you're good to go. Aware of, thankful for. Let's give it number. Number one, aware with number one, of. Number two, thankful with number two, which is for. Number three is satisfied. Number three is with. For, worried. For, about. 5, comfortable. 5, in. Good. Number 6, with at. Number 6 from the prepositions. Remember them and try to give me some examples in the comment section below, okay? Here is another activity. I'm fed up, gap his behavior. I'm fed up, gap his behavior. At, in, with, or from. Take 5 seconds, pause the video if needed, and think of the right answer. And the right answer is C, with. I'm fed up with his behavior. Next is he's really afraid, gap, dogs. Of, for, with, or about. Take 5 seconds, pause the video if needed, and think of the right answer. And the right one is A, of. He's really afraid of dogs. Next, I'm pleased, gap the results of my exam. About, with, at, or in. Take some time, think of the right option. And the right one is B, with, I'm pleased with the results of my exam. Well done. She was so excited, gap the trip to Africa. In, with, about, or at. And the right option is C, about. She was so excited about the trip to Africa. The last one is for you guys. Murad is responsible the deliveries. In, of, for, at. Think of the right answer and write it down in the comment below. That's it for today. This is the end of part 1. Part 2 is coming next. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new to our channel. If you have any suggestions, any additional information, leave them in the comment section and we are pleased to read them. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. Take good care of yourselves. See ya. Bye-bye.